All right. Well, welcome back, guys. Today, I want to show you a couple of 32nd scale AMT model kits that I built. Um, I've never built 32nd scale stuff before. A buddy of mine um, suggested that I give a couple of these a try because I was in a model car slump. I wasn't getting anything finished. Um, and these I refer to as my little slump busters. You know, you buy them and there's very limited parts in there. There's not a whole lot of parts to them, so they go together quick. And and they've got really cool subject matters. Today I'm going to show you this 60 Thunderbird. I've done a little extra work to it. I've extended all the body lines and then molded them in all the way down the top of the wing, back here around the tail lights, extending them out a little bit. I don't know if you can see that much on the camera. I did the same thing around the headlight bezels, where I extended these outward, opened up the hood scoop, and then topped it off with a metal flake gold and candy red fade. And then on the roof, I did a candy red roof on it. And the interior, gold and black. I painted some white walls on the tires. Made a set of bell flowers for the back using aluminum. All in all, they build up really pretty neat. A couple Appleton spot lamps from the old parts box. Kind of a early Watson style build. Yeah, they are pretty neat little models. And like I said, if you're looking just to build something, start something, finish it, and then move on to the next model, these are actually kind of cool. All right, let me grab one more, and I'll be right back. All right, so the second 1/32 that I wanted to share with you is this AMT 1963 Stingray. And again, it's got very limited parts, builds very quick. The only thing I added to this are the wheels and tires, which I found on eBay. I had to buy another 32nd scale built up just to get them. That's going to be the trickiest part to these 1/32s, are finding the right wheels and tires. That last one that I showed you, I used the box stock wheels and tires, but I of course painted a white wall on them. The Corvette was a little bit more challenging because the wheels and tires in there are just way too small for the style that I was looking after. So yeah, I got lucky and found these on eBay. I'm not sure who made them or what company or what race car or whatever they came off of, but they worked out perfect for me. This Stingray here is pretty much box stock. I just assembled it, painted it metal flake silver with candy purple fogging on it, and I think it came out pretty sweet. So like I was saying, if you're in a slump and you just want to start something and finish it and then move on to your projects or whatever you got stagnant on, these are cool little models. Plus they just look cool up on the shelf. I've built several of these so far. I've got them all sitting next to each other in a case, and they all look pretty cool. So um, once again, if you're into this kind of stuff and you think you want to see some more, please subscribe and like, and leave a comment if you would. And I try to answer all the comments and share it. All right. Well, until the next one, I'll see you then.